Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we can discuss how to use sendit on Snapchat. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to make sure that you have an updated version of the Snapchat. After that, you have to install an application which is named as sendit. So I'm going to open it. So what you can do on sendit, so first of all you have to make sure that you have connected your Snapchat account with the sendit so that you can use it on Snapchat properly. So here you can ask question from your Snapchat friends, and they can reply you in sendit, and in this way you can have a creative chat. And here you can also change your fonts, and moreover you can also change the background of this feature. After doing all the things, which means when you have changed it, so you have to click on share. And after clicking on share, what you can do is simply, after clicking on share, as you can see, if I click on share, then this will connect directly, send it to the Snapchat. And after that, if I take a snap, and as you can see, this will be shown with a snap, and if you click on next, and then this will be sent to your story. And in this way you can create a creative story by simply using sendit. In this way, there is a good method to change your story method, which means make your story creative. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.